Morning class 5, myself Ranjit Kumar, your science teacher. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Since we have completed the chapter, now it's time to discuss exercise. So I am discussing exercise in this. First question, choose the correct answer. The variety of food that contains all the essential means all the nutrient in right proportion is called means the food that contains all the nutrient in right proportion is called what? Balanced diet. So first answer will be B, balanced diet. Second question, carbohydrates are energy rich, energy giving food, but excessive amount of carbohydrate causes means carbohydrate gives us energy, but excess carbohydrate when we consume it get stored in our body as fat, and that will result into obesity, motapa. So this is the second C. Third, proteins are option energy giving nutrient, body building nutrient, disease fighting nutrient, digestive nutrient. Answer will be body building nutrient. Third, B. Fourth, the nutrient that provide heat and energy are nutrient that provide heat and energy are example fat, fibers, minerals, protein. Answer will be fat. So for A. Fifth, oranges, grapes and carrots are rich source of what? Protein, fibers, vitamin, water. Vitamins. Next, scurvy is caused by deficiency of deficiency disease. Vitamin A, lack of vitamin A cause night blindness. Vitamin B cause beriberi. Vitamin C cause scurvy. So option is vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. Answer will be vitamin C. Means option number 6. Rashi is suffering from goiter means she is suffering from goiter. Iodine, lack of iodine cause goiter. So she is suffering from goiter. She should be given diet rich in. Goiter happens due to lack of iodine means there is a deficiency of iodine. That's why she is suffering from goiter. So she need to be provided with iodine. Option is iodine, phosphorus, iron, calcium. Answer will be iodine. A. 8th question. Jaundice is caused by A. Bacteria, virus, protozoa, insect. Jaundice is caused by bacteria. A. 9th question. Dreaded disease. A dreaded disease caused by virus HIV that attacks the immune system is means a disease called HIV that happens due to rickets. Night means HIV attacks the immunity is means the HIV virus attacks the immunity. The disease name of the disease is rickets, night blindness, AIDS, polio. Answer will be AIDS. C. Question number 10. Deficiency disease are caused due to microorganisms, lack of nutritious food, lack of medicine, lack of clean water. Lack of nutritious food. Answer will be B. Okay, give to the question number D. This question we are discussing today. The B and C we will discuss in coming video. Give 2 examples of each. What? Proteinated food means food that contains protein. Give 2 example. Pulses and egg is the example of 2 proteinated food. Carbohydrated food means food which is rich in carbohydrate. Example, these 2 example will be bread and potatoes. Next is fatty food, food which is rich in fats, means that is cheese and butter. Give two example of communicable disease, disease that is spread from one person to another. Communicable disease example is common cold and measles. These are the two example of communicable diseases. Next is give two example of non-communicable disease. I have already discussed all the deficiency disease comes under non-communicable disease, like night blindness and beriberi. So these are the example of the disease that is caused that are non-communicable. Okay, so thank you for the day. Remaining question we'll discuss in coming videos.